Hello everyone, Sam Hazer from myfirstmagicwave.com. Okay, so I'm going to make this video to show, as I mentioned in the webinar, that how you can analyze when you have a setup on a 33-minute. How would you see it if you can take the entry from 20-minute or 7-minute? Okay, so I was waiting for the opportunity because you have to have a setup. Now that I have a setup and you can even hear the beep, the alarm is going off, right? It was going off, and this is what I have here, Magic IB alarm without the cross, but you can see clearly that we have posted a reversal candle. There you go, see the alarm. All right, so once you have this alarm, and this pair is your USD 33 minutes, so it went up nicely and then dipping and making a long setup of 33-minute chart, right? So they could be different, but I'm not going to talk about that because the thing's going to get complicated. So we have a 33-minute setup. Yellow is above the black and both above the, this, even though these are not the condition, but it's a very good one, and the alarm is all the way in the bottom, and indicator is all the way in the bottom, and alarm is beeping. So now first we're going to take a look is the 33-minute chart, 7-minute chart, right? So 33 and 7 combination. So what do we need? First thing is we need 7-minute. As I remember, what was that? That the 7-minute goes, yellow goes above on the 7-minute chart, yellow goes above the red line, and then you find a long setup, right? And then we take it. So do we have it now, or should we wait a little more? Let's go take a look at the 7-minute chart. So this is what it is. Can we go long here? No, because yellow is still below the red, right? We need that here somewhere, and maybe you will see a long setup. Right now it's 2:24. Frankie is already open, but London is 45 minutes away. And once the London is open, maybe we're gonna get the setup. But the thing is, we can't go long. Can we go short? Obviously not, because for short condition, it's it's a 33-minute setup is there, right? What do we do then? Then let's go take a look at the 20-minute chart. So now, for our surprise, we have a 20-minute short setup in place. Now what do we do? Is it a 33-minute chart or a setup or a 20-minute setup? Which one we should take? Now the question is that right now the long setup after the 33-minute, the long on 7-minute is not available, right? But do we have a short available on 20-minute? We posted a short reversal candle, right? Then we posted a long candle, again a reversal to the upside, and now we are just wobbling around there and not doing anything. So this is the situation. The 33-minute chart, long setup, we require this yellow to go above the red, and setup will be here somewhere. We will take it. For the short setup, what will happen is that we need, from the 20-minute, we need this yellow below the red, which is not yet, right? Yellow is above the black, so we can't go short either. So we can't go long, we can't go short. This is the no man's land area. So we will wait. If the 33-minute chart is going to play out, then we're gonna go above. This red is gonna go above the this yellow is gonna go above the red, and you will find a long setup there. But if it's not going to happen, and if the 20 minutes is going to play out, then you will see here on 7-minute, you will see that the price will drop. Yellow will go black below the black, like here, right? And you will have a short setup, maybe something like this, right? It was up there, and then it dropped, and then it went up here, and then it could drop from there, something like that. That's a short setup like this down here. So either way, we have to wait right now. Okay, so this is, if you understand, it's very simple, that you are at the station, and which is the 33-minute chart setup, nice and clean setup, but it is also a bearish 20-minute setup. You have a long on 33 and short on 20-minute. So either way, we will go by a 7-minute entry in this situation, and we will wait for 33-minute. We need this yellow above the red. Setup is here, and we will take. For short, we need yellow go below the black again, and give us a short setup like this one here, or this one, or this one, something like that. Okay, so this is how simple it is, but you have to keep in mind, because it's very easy that we forget, and then we take, you know, very wrong entries. So for example, here, this was the situation here, that you have you were here, for example, right? So the thing is that it went up. There was a 33-minute setup probably, and then you see this, what happened here, instead of coming down here, it went up, and then the yellow is above the black, and then both above the red line, and then you have a long setup here, long setup, and then it goes up, right? And then I'm looking for to give you a short example, that if this, for example, let me see, we have to look at the 20 minutes. So okay, I don't want to mess things up, but keep this thing in mind. That's it, you know, because if I go explaining that, it will be like too much. Then everything is gonna get mixed up. Okay, so 33-minute chart setup. I hope you understand. If you still don't, anybody, you don't understand, let me know, and I'll try to explain it again. But this is how it is: 33-minute long setup and 20-minute short setup at the same time you have. Now the key is the 7-minute chart. If for long, you need the price above the yellow, above the red, and then setup up here, right? And then for 20-minute, you need a short setup here, but you need this yellow below the. It's already, you know, for 20-minute, the red line is not the concern. This yellow and the black is the concern. So we are now twisted, and the yellow is above the black, so we can't go short. We can't go long. We can't go short. That there's nothing available right now, and we have to wait for that, one of them, right? So whoever comes first, whichever comes first. Now, worst come to worst is going to be, for example, it will try to go down here, maybe, you know, a news or something, and it goes down here, and you go short here, and then it goes back up and hit yourself for 10 pips, right? But then what it will do, if this is a wrong entry, right, then it will go above the red and then give you a long entry. So that can happen only one time. Most of the time, if the news comes out, it goes falls the wrong way, false entry, and then it goes the right way. So if you lose the 10 pip or 12 pip on the false entry, then it goes the other side. So, okay, no problem, then I'll take the other side, and then you go 60, 70, 80 pip, and you recover your losses and make some. You understand? If it goes above here and then try to go up, but then again it reverses, then you find the short setup, take the damn short setup, no problem. You know, you go there. And if you lose 10, 15, you know, 13 pip over there, you can always recover that on the other side and make some more. And for the night, it usually goes a long way, right? Especially in the beginning, the day is starting. I don't know why I don't have that white line here, the daily open line. I'm just gonna put it back in here. I like it white. Okay, so this is, what is this? 3/4. When is that? So okay, now we just started. This is the day open. This is what happened. Right here was the Asia Open, and then after even several hours, we are still here. So let's see what the London is gonna do. Either it's gonna go up long or go short here. Yellow will turn below the black, and you go down, and then keep watching the 20-minute short setup, and you don't have to watch again and again for this thing. You know, it is a very pretty solid entry system. You know, I mean setup here, right? So let's see what happens. I hope that I explained it to you pretty much everything here, right? But still, if you feel like that you still don't understand it, just let me know. Send me an email, and you know, I'll go on the Skype again, and then, you know, talk to you and explain it to you, right? I want you to understand it perfectly. Then whenever you have a 33-minute setup, and then of course you will first run into 20-minute setup, right, before you get to the 7-minute entry. So make sure that you bypass that 20-minute and then go to 7-minute. And you know, you will bypass definitely, but sometimes you will not go to 7-minute. Even before that, you will make the turn. 20-minute will play out, and you will get a short entry. Then you will take that. Now, these are the two possible scenarios of which side it is going. But always put the weight on the side where your daily analysis, like a weekly chart analysis, is going for. Right? For example, a Euro USD, I said we're gonna go up here, so we went up there. So now 1192, and then we are dropping below, right? So the question is that are we gonna drop below 1108 or we gonna go above 1176? Right? These two numbers here. So this is what the ping pong is going on, and in between you have 1118, right? So if you see a short setup and below like 1118, yeah, you know that you are going down. But if you're going above, then make sure that you bypass 1176. Even if it goes up, it may hit 1176 and then drop again. So be careful with your SL, right? Don't forget the SL rules. And then you also have here 1097. So these are the numbers. Just play, draw those numbers on 3327, and this is how you look for 33-minute setup. Again, I'm repeating so many times so that it sinks in, right? 33-minute setup, alarm beeping, nice clean setup. Then you look for 7 and 20 both. 7-minute chart entry, like you said, I'm just showing you because I was waiting. The real thing in front of us, right? So 7-minute setup is not available. You can't do anything. For going short, yellow is above the black. You can't do anything. You understand? And short, you will go short based on 20-minute. The rule for 20-minute is only yellow and black. The rule for 33 is that yellow has to go other side of the red. Okay? I hope I made it clear. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful trading rest of the week.